the fundamental questions, right? So let me go to my workbook. Mm. Okay. Okay, so let's take a look. All right, we're gonna try. We're not gonna do every single one of them. Okay, we're just gonna try a few because every one of you have this booklet, right? No. How is that possible? Finish already. Everyone has this. Why you throw away? What?
You burn the worksheet.
Wow, so fast. Wait. Okay, I'm gonna put it here. All right, so I'm not gonna do every single one. All right. I'm just no. He wrote the answer already. Okay, write down the first common multiple of 4 and 10. So it's 40. Huh? Yeah, it's 20. 20.
40.
20, yeah, not 40. 20. So you see, fundamental problem, right? You understand? Because sometimes you write too fast. You see the problem? You write too fast. Actually, you know the answer, but the first thing that comes to your mind, hey, 40. Then you immediately write down 40. And then you. The first thing comes to my mind, 20. Or you clever, right? For me, right, the first thing that comes to mind is actually 40 as well. But then after that, you got to think a bit, yeah? Yeah, so all the common factors of 18 and 81 is right there, okay? So what fundamental are they testing? Basically, this is just common multiple. Do you know what's the meaning of common multiple and common factor? Well done. Next one. So this is correct. Both answers are correct. 161 and 28 squared. So this is just area, simple area calculation. Right? The size of each. But how do we do this? Do you know how to do? What? 161 cm squared. What area was left? Yeah. So you need to draw a box like that, the paper. And then because it's 35 by 24.6, right? So this is 35. And then this side is 24.6. Okay, now how many 5 cm square boxes can you draw inside here? So along the 35, right, you can draw 7. So I'm going to try and break 7. Wait, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I can draw 7. But between 24.6, right, how many 5 cm can I cut out? I can only cut out 4. I can only cut out 4. So like that, like that, like that. Can you see that? Okay, so each one of them is 5 cm squared. So what you have to do is to take 5 times 5. Okay, so basically you find the whole area, right? You take this one times this one. Then after that, you minus off how many 5 cm squared, right? So how many squares did city cut out? We know that there's 7 here, and there's 4. So 7 times 4 equals to 28, right? So fundamentals, there's no heuristic or whatever difficulty here. It's just fundamental. Do you know what's the area? Do you know how to cut out the square? Okay, next one. Moving on. Any question for this? Okay. So this one is a cubic view. Yeah, draw the front view of the solid on the grid below. So front view is here, right? Let's zoom in. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Just 4. Just draw one with 4, like this. So these are the actual PSLE paper. You see? The reason for me going through is I want to stress to you the importance of your fundamental. Okay? Huh? Never mind, it's okay. Go through, right? Next one. Okay, this one is easy. Okay, Susie painted the whole solid including the base. Then she took it apart into its 5 cube. What's the total number of faces? They are not painted. So this one is difficult because you must visualize. Alright, you must visualize. I actually made a video on this. I use a software. Let me see if I can search. Okay, I don't know where's the. Hmm? Yeah, I think one of them better, but wait, I'm talking about the Suzy. Yeah, wait, this one on Suzy 3D shape. That was a long time ago. 3D shape. This one. See this one? So the front view is from here. Okay, here we go. So you can see this is the question, the top view. We're supposed to draw the front view. So where's the front view? The front view is from this direction. Okay, so this is the front view. It just looks like a. Sorry, Suzy painted the whole. Okay, so the second part is Suzy painted the whole solid, right? So basically, you have to visualize this thing. It's not easy, yeah. I'm just gonna fast forward. And calculate all together how many. Okay, so basically we have to break them apart, and then you gotta count where are all the parts that's painted, right? So I actually had to use a 3D diagram. Okay, I think it's easier to see if you were to use a 3D diagram, also for explanation. Oh, okay, never mind. Okay, I can't really see from here. Oh my. Okay, never mind. This is smaller. Yeah, we can't do that in PSLE. So you gotta break it up. So what I did was I actually painted like the whole thing red color. Then you know what's going on. Okay, never mind. Okay, when you have time, you can go and watch the video. Next. Okay, so this is the one, yeah? That's what it's talking about. So next one. Okay, so this is simple. The figure is about 3 squares, find angle x. How do we find angle x here? You see, as I'm going through, they're actually doing it on the paper right now, right? There, Elna? You also doing it? Yeah, you're also doing. So, Turn and Sam, you can actually draw on the screen. No, for the handphone, you can't use stylus. So you see that we now have to make use of all our concepts. Wow, Davian. It's really very. You can't see what you're drawing. No. You can type. It's not typing on this one. Oh man. Okay, so how do we do this? You see, first you gotta find this one, right? Yeah, this angle. So you take 180 minus the 128. I give up. Okay. So 180 minus 128, let me see, 52. So here is 52. And then we know this is 90. Right? So you can find this as well. What? Not big C. Okay, so if you take 90 minus 52, this will be 38. Right? And you know that this is also 90 degrees. So 90 degrees minus another 38. You know this is 52. And you know this 90 degrees again. So you know this one is 38. Yeah, so 180 take away 38, you get 142. Right, so they all use simple concepts, right? Fundamental stuff. Moving on, next. Sam, are you there?
Yeah.
Oh.
Never see his face yet.
Next one.
Oh my god, who's screaming?
Okay, see this? Yeah, remember we're talking about percentage, yeah? So what was the percentage increase in the number of books from January to February? So January here, February here. Percentage increase.
100.
Now the thing about this question is they never really give you, yeah, they didn't give you a number, but they give you the, you see here, this is like, you can put, right? This is like 2, then this one is 3, then it's like 4. Okay, yeah. So from January is 2, right? And then February is 4. So from 2 to 4, 100%. Why?
Why?
Why 2 to 4 is 100% increase?
Plus 2 plus 2 equals 4 minus 1.
Because this is what we call the percentage, change of base. You need to know that your base 100%, right, is 2. Okay, this is your base. Your base 100% is 2. So from January to February, increase from 2 to 4. They are talking about the percentage increase. So we only talk about the increase. And the increase is 2, right? So since 2 is 100%, therefore the percentage increase is yes, 100%. Okay. Okay, next you see another fundamental question. The average number of books read in a month from January to April was 75. So how many books did class 6A read in April? So average from January to April. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, right? You take 75 times 4. So this is for the average that we learn, which is here is 300. Okay, but 300, how do you know, like how many books is each of them?
15 books.
How do you know?
Quite enough answer.
Someone answer 15, but how do you know? Now this 300 is equivalent to how many units, right? You can count, like this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? So now instead of you gotta count the number of units. So this is like 10 units, this is like 20 units. Okay, this one 8, right? 8 units, and this one 22. Okay, so 22 units. So altogether, how many units are there?
A number.
10, yeah, 10, 20, 30, 30 plus 30, so 60 units. So 300 represents 60 units. So 1 unit equals to 5. And they want April. So April is 22 units. 22 units, yeah? So 22 you times 5. Just 110. Okay, so can you see? Easy. Next one. I'm trying to go through as much as possible. Okay, I don't think I'll be able to do everything, but we try to go through a few, right? Just to show you, just to show you that it's not about your fundamental stuff.
The last
Okay,
question.
what?
Why not do the last question?
Last question. That one heuristic, right? Wait, yeah. Okay, now look at this. So a box contains black beads, white beads. At first, the number of black. Now here is not this is not a fundamental question already, right? This is one with heuristic. Okay, I'm gonna skip this first.
Why?
Skip for now. Skip for now. Right? We'll visit all this tomorrow. Okay. Now this one, area with algebra. So what's the parameter in terms of P? IDK. Good. Okay, can you try and do? Try and do. Sam, are you trying, Sam?
What?
Are you trying to do? Are you doing? the question.
You said, am I crying?
No.
I'm not crying.
Are you doing the question?
I'm reading.
Oh, you are doing. Okay. Oh, you already did.
I'm reading.
Oh, you're reading. Okay. What's your answer? You don't know. Then you ask me, I tell you the answer. Okay, Turn has an answer. Yeah. Why? What? Every name is unique, yeah? Who? Of course. I never seen Davian before. You're the first Davian I ever saw in my life.
Just see, that's my face.
What?
My
Your
face.
Where?
There.
What? Cannot see your face, what?
Yeah.
What? Where? Where's the face? What race?
See?
Sam is Indian. There? Hey, hi, Sam. Turn is Chinese.
Sometimes you gotta show your face.
Davian is Chinese. I am Chinese. Huh? What?
Sam is gone.
Yeah. Because when he switch on, there will be lag. Okay, so let's take a look at this question. Yeah, find the parameter. So you see all these fundamental stuff. Parameter. What's the parameter of a triangle BCD in terms of it? Wait, who's drawing the line? Sam, don't draw straight line. Okay, so what is the parameter? First, you see the parameter of the square is 12, right? So that means here must be 3, 3, 3, 3, right? Okay, the parameter of figure A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, E is 10p plus 11. Wait, find the parameter of B, C, D in terms of P. Oh, so if the whole thing is 10p plus 11, I need to remove this 3 and this 3. Then I can find this thing.
But then we're supposed to find the BCD, so we have to push out the BD to the AE. So we only minus 2 of the trees.
You minus 2 of 3. So, what do you mean? Turn. Okay, wait, one more time. So you see the parameter of figure A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, E. This whole thing is 10p plus 11. So the parameter of 1 square. So here is 3, 3, 3, 3. Right? So now they want to find the parameter of triangle BCD. So the triangle BCD is here, 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 and here. Correct? So one thing you need to do is you want to find what's this, right? What is this side and what is this side? So how do you find these two sides? You can take this A, B, C, D, E minus this 3 to find these two sides. Then you add another 3. Okay? But just how Turn was saying, you don't have to minus this 3 because you still need this one. That's all he's saying. So you just minus 6. That means the working is just 10p plus 11. Take away 6. So you get 10p plus 5. What? Here? No, I just. No, what is SpongeBob? Okay, so it's 10p plus 5 centimeter. Okay, next. The parameter of figure ABCD is 31. So ABCD. What's the value of P? So because I know 10p plus 11 equals to 31. So now I need to identify what is P. What this means is 10 times something plus 11 equals 31. So 10p must be equal to 20. Yeah, so P must be equal to 2 because 10 times 2 equals to 20. So P equals to 2. Okay? No, finishing soon. Left 25 minutes. Right? Next one.
Okay, when
so
is our break?
the what? No more break already. We are going to finish at 12:30. So your next break is 12:30.
Oh no.
Okay, look at this. At first, the ratio of number of boys to girls. After, okay, it's heuristic, right? Heuristic key. Angle. Okay, try this angle. Every Saturday. Wow. Okay, try this.
Teacher,
Yes.
I've one problem in
Huh?
the average question.
Okay, what's the problem?
It's like this, and then it's like this. Wait,
Tomorrow.
yeah, it's like this, and then they tell you the first two average, and then you need to find the last one by yourself.
Okay. Maybe you can show us the question and we can help you with that.
I don't know what's the question.
Because I can't really help if it's just like, you just showed me some. We need to see the question. That is easier. Okay, you're still here, no, Davian? I thought you log out. Then you should log out, right?
I don't know.
Do you want me to kick you out?
No.
You got police? Okay. Hey, then you're out already.
Shit, I'm connecting back.
Cannot, you must log out. If not, you'll keep using data. Okay, find angle CED. What's angle CED? So CED is right here, right? So now this is a trapezium. That means, your fundamental again, yeah? Trapezium means these are parallel. This is parallel. This 120 degrees. Yeah, 120 is correct. Okay. 120.
Wait.
Oh, fundamental lah. Okay, EC equal to ED. EC equal ED. So this one equal to this one.
Yeah.
Okay, so what it means is that is an isosceles. No. So there's an isosceles triangle over here. Alright. So how to find CED? Okay, wait. Huh? Wait. Okay, Sam, I need to remove your thing first, right? Maybe I help you later. Okay, AD is a straight line. So using whatever information we have, let's try to find CD. Yeah? CD. You can find this. This is 100. No. Okay, can you see that this is 150? And then here is 150, so like alternate angle, so here is 30. Alternate angle 30. Can you see the letter Z? Alternate angle. So here also 30. You? 30 and 30 here. So that's 60, right? So this has got to be 120. Next one. Okay, each of the statement below is either true, false, or not possible to tell. Yeah, so ABD is an equilateral triangle. Where's ABD? ABD, so it's not, yeah, because it's not 60. It has to be 60. So the first one is false. ABC is a parallelogram. ABC parallelogram. That's false. Why? Because parallelogram has got to be parallel. All are parallel. But here only two lines are parallel. This one are parallel. And the last one, BD is perpendicular to DC. BD no, we don't know. Okay, so that's not possible to tell. Okay, right? Huh? Yeah, yeah. Oh really? I don't know. Your mother. I don't know how to. I need more time. Okay, done. Next. Next one. Okay, so this is an example of a rate, the machine question, right? Printing rates. How many pages have been printed by machine A? Wow. Okay. So it's a lengthy, we gotta read the whole thing. What? You need to do work.
Zoom out the whole page.
Sorry, you need to zoom out, is it? Yeah. Okay. No, he needs to see the whole page. Is it okay?
Yes, and I can put my answer.
Okay. Yeah, you do your work.
Okay, who's that? The one who said,
David,
I'll
David.
put. Is it a girl or boy?
It's a boy.
Oh, it's a female.
Boy.
No, girl. That is too unorganized to be honest. Even when report book say,
What?
the report book there's the content page, they tell you what gender are you. I don't even have a content page.
What do you mean?
That's sad.
You know the report card, right?
Yeah.
Then they give you a report card. Right?
Yeah.
Then the first page will tell you the
Yeah.
I don't have anything on there.
What do you mean? Why?
I don't know.
You mean other people have, but yours don't have?
That's sad.
How come?
Then there's a people say you need a girl.
No. Okay, how many pages have been printed by machine A at the time Mr. Lin started machine B? So you got to look at the time. Yeah, time is somewhere here. So you go and look at the. Okay, you got to look at your own paper. Yeah, mine is a bit small here. So at 12:02, you got to correspond to here. So 140 is actually correct. Okay, so reading of the graph. So what was the total number of pages printed by the two machines from 12 to 12:05? So just look at the number again, yeah. 12 to 12:05 is 350, and after that, 12:05. Wow, what number is this? 270, is it?
What?
270. Okay, so here is 270. So you add them together, 620. So now is the rate question. Next one. So which machine has a faster printing rate? So this is better. Okay, this is what I call the P5 rate. Now to find the rate, you must find how many pages per minute or how many pages per 5 minutes. No, you got to find how many pages per minute. So how do you find how many pages per minute? We look at machine A. So machine A can print 350 pages in 5 minutes. Okay, so machine A is 350 per 5 minutes, right? So that would be 70 pages per 1 minute. Okay, that is machine A. Now machine B, from 2 minutes to 5 minutes, 3 minutes. So it printed 270 per 3 minutes. So that's 90 pages per minute. So which one is faster? Obviously is B.
B.
Yeah, B is faster. All right, next one. So you see so far, okay, what? Yeah, easy stuff. All right, just whatever. 2019, last year. Why?
Oh, why?
Should be what, 90 plus what? Okay, next one. 13. 5FG. F G You should get higher. Why? Okay, last 15 minutes. All right, let's try to do a few more. FG, where's FG? Okay, let me give you a clue so you can find this first. And you can see this is parallel. So if this is 86, this must be 90. So 180 minus 86. This one 94. Alright, so angles on a straight line. So 180. Take away 48. Take away 94. That will be equal to 38. So first one 38 is correct. Then for B, find EDH. So, 44. You all got 44? Yeah, 44 is correct. Yeah, that's fast. Okay. so quite okay, not difficult, right? Fundamentals. They all, most of it is fundamental, as I mentioned. Now you see, percentage discount. This is not even heuristic, you know. Kevin, Julie, bought some 8 cards. Each of them spent 61.20. Each of them spent 61.20. Julie got 6 more than Kevin because she used a coupon. They give her 50% discount. How many 8 cards did Julie get? There's no heuristics involved here. It's just a problem sum. Okay, let's try this.
You're doing the angle question.
I hear showering noises.
That's a what?
I hear someone showering. I don't know why.
Showering?
From your side, from somewhere inside the computer.
Or the microphone is very
Could be
sensitive.
microphone, yeah. Could be.
And that's why you can hear my voice.
Could be really someone showering, you know. Oh, I know what's that. That's the computer fan. Yeah? Oh. No, computer fan. How about now? Can you hear the showering now?
You did not say just now, Nisha.
Yeah, can you hear the fan?
Yeah.
Ah, that's the showering.
Wow, fan can shower one man.
Oh, not correct, no. Wrong. Not 46.
Wrong.
Try.
You can turn off the camera.
Yeah, try. Yeah. It's a physical switch. Try. Okay, try this, yeah. Now this is not heuristic, right? It's just percentage. Just a simple percentage question, okay?
Don't do.
But it looks a bit tough. Yeah, it looks a bit tough because of the way they
And
testing.
this is why I get 72.
Yeah, let's see this.
I got red color.
Look at what?
Red color light on the microphone.
Oh, can switch off. On off.
For what?
When I lazy to click. Yeah. Does it make sense?
No.
It makes a lot of sense to me. It's like, I don't know. Okay, how do you know how to do this? Yeah, 40 is correct, right? 40 is correct. Okay, let's see how to 1.8. Yeah, $1.80. Yeah. So you see, it's a simple percentage question. Sam, stop drawing. Let's see how to do this, right? So Kevin and Julie bought some 8 cards. Each of them spent $61. So both spent the same amount. Okay, Julie got 6 more because she used a coupon that gave her a 15% discount.
What's 15% is 6?
So 15% is equal to 6.
Why now and then I do everything?
Don't know. Now 15% of the cost, right? Cost. The cost of 15% leave a 7. is 8 cards. So 1%, I can find 1% of the cost is actually equal to 6 over 15. Right, so I want to find, let's say 100% of the cost. Okay, how do you find that? You take times.
Why 25%?
So this is 1. This one my 1 look like 7. 1. Up to you. Up to you. You can use any percentage method, you know. Okay, so if I 100, yeah, 6 over 50 100, so it's 48 cards, correct? So that's the answer. Okay, so the next part, what was the price of each egg tart without the discount? Okay. Yeah, okay. So you bought 48 cards for.
Very easy.
What? How to do? B. Yes.
Wow, then why last time I don't know?
Okay, so you see, Julie got 40, right? Just gonna go through, right? So Julie got 48 cards. What was the price of each share without the discount? Now, if Julie got 48 cards, yeah, you want to find the original amount, right? Because 85% is $61.20. How much is 100%? $72. Okay, so $72 will buy you 40. Oh, it's 40. Okay, $72 buys you 48 cards, right? So you divide 72 divided by $1.80. Okay, so that's the price of one egg tart. Yeah, if you want to, right? So you see, misconception, right? Must know all heuristic. Not really. All these simple. F-U-N. Have fun. F-U-N. Fun. And this one, you know you do, right? So fun. F, fundamental, all fundamental. Okay, fundamental stuff. Very fun.
Do we that for the other one, which is what's the other one?
Hue.
Hey, 3 no need do. 3 is not counted.
Yeah, 3 not counted. Okay, next. Okay, how about these two? Is it fundamental or heuristic?
Both of them are fun.
Fun, yeah.
No, but not fun.
Okay, so both fun, fundamental, F-U-N, F-U-N. Okay. Who? I think 90 something, 90.
Who?
10.
Controller, you come here. This was not really go away.
He goes to many tuition, I think.
Hey, also.
Yeah.
But then how can I slow down?
Huh? You okay what?
No.
Fundamental, okay? Still here fun and fun, right? So don't have heuristic. Yeah.
The next page has one heuristic and one fun.
Really? Okay, so this one here is fundamental. And here we get our first heuristic. Hue. Huri. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at this question, all right? Yes, we will. Clear all. Hey, Sam, not fun, no.
Wait.
Okay, so this heuristic. Okay, so let's take a look. A box contains black beads and white beads. At first, the number of black was 1/3 the number of white. So immediately I can draw a table, right? So we got black and white. Now at first the number of black is 1U, then the number of white is 3U, right? That's what it says up to here. So after 1/4 of the black beads and 3 of the white beads were used, 63 beads were left. So here I gotta use up 1/4, and then here I use up 308. So you see, here can I remove 1/4 from 1 unit?
Now what?
If I want, I can, you know. But I think it'll be easier if I change it to something else, yeah, with a better numbers. For example, can I change it to 4? If I change to 4, this will be 12. Okay, but then 12 doesn't fit 8, you know what I mean?
That means it's
So I times
24.
2, become 24. So this, if this is 24, this will be 8. Okay, so can you see the thinking behind this?
No.
I can't really see your brain, but I can see the workings.
Yeah, the thinking, you're seeing my thinking. Sam, that. Yeah, draw small one, okay, don't draw big one. Draw small at the side. So black is 8 and white is 24. So this is the beginning.
See your brain.
Yeah, so what happened is you remove 1/4 of the black. Now what's 1/4 of 8 unit?
1/4 of 8.
Yeah, 1/4 of black minus 1/4, so it's 2, right? So do you see that? How do you know 1/4 of 8 is 2? Your fundamental, you see, 1/4 times 8 equals to 2.
Can I write the space?
Oh,
You know, can I hide the answer somewhere and let you find it?
huh?
Can I hide the answer somewhere and let you find it?
Yeah, you can hide it somewhere.
I'll
Okay,
check.
so 8 unit minus 2. Do you know why is it 2 unit? Because minus 1/4 of 8, right? Now how about for the white bits? White bits minus 3 out of 8, right? So 3 over 8 times 24 equals to plus 3 over 8 times 24.
9.
9. Oh. So you minus 9. So now by now, what type of heuristic is this?
I don't know.
Before and after. This is before.
What's the answer?
I don't know. This one is after. Wait, check. Okay, so 8 minus 2 equals to 6 units, right? And then 24 minus 9 equals to 15 units, right? Okay, 15 units. So they say that 63 bits were left. Now this tells me that 21 unit represent 63 bits. Okay?
Answer's there.
Yeah, good. So what's 1 unit?
3.
3.
I use decimals though.
Okay, but you see, we have gone even further than what the question wanted us to do. You look at 8. What fraction of the bits were used? How many bits were at the box at first? We actually solved the whole thing already, right?
Yeah, I was just checking the answer.
I know. So what fraction of the bits were used? Now let's highlight the one that was used. Which one was used? Here, right? This is the number that's used, right? Yeah. So for part A, what's 2 plus 9?
11.
11. So it's 11 out of how many at first? At first there's 8 plus 32, right? You got that? So that's the fraction of the bits that were used. So it's 11 out of 32.
Yay.
Yeah. And then for part B, how many bits were there at first? Now because we know 1U equal to 3. So at first there were 32U, right? So 32 times 3 equals to 96. And we solve this to get how many marks?
3 only lah. Such a scam.
Oh, they give so much space. 3 chicken nuggets.
I
Yes.
think it's just that your computer a lot of space lah.
3 chicken nuggets. Easy enough.
Though?
Huh?
Not enough.
Answers though?
Huh?
Need more. Like
I need
9,
more.
you need 9 chicken nuggets.
9 chicken nuggets. Yeah, so you need to eat more, you know?
See
Do
my
more.
answer though?
Okay, what's your answer? Wait, what's your answer?
What answer?
Dun said he hidden the answer somewhere.
In plain sight, I should say.
Where did he hide the answer? Where? Cannot see, Anyone can find?
Too lazy find.
Too late. Wait. Oh, there? You see
There's
that?
2 answers though.
You see that?
There's 2 answers. I also do some.
He hit the answer here, 96.
There's one more. There's one more. There's
Oh, you know why? You know why they can't find? And then because our screen is not able to display all the way here.
Oh, the TV is so big one, but they cannot show anything.
But there's
Our,
still one more. But there's still one more answer. That's definable.
wait, what, you have hidden another one?
Yeah.
Where? Cannot find, huh?
Uh,
Our screen only show until here, no? Like inside the white color thing.
does it show the link?
Link? No. Oh, you mean this?
The link.
Yeah, it shows the link.
The website.
What's that?
Look up beside it.
Oh, you mean the answer here? Oh.
Beside it.
Yeah.
Hey, that's not even a link.
Yeah.
This is random numbers.
No, he typed the thing there. You see? He went to type the thing there.
He didn't randomly press numbers.
No,
Yeah.
he typed the thing
Yeah.
there. Yeah.
He spam numbers and put.
Yeah, we couldn't see that, right? Okay, so if you want to hide number, must hide inside here, right? Because the TV cannot show the.
Okay, I'll try my best to hide it even better.
Teacher,
Yes, Sam.
I like to watch like gaming videos, right?
Me too.
So yeah, so there was this very funny video. So there's this guy who died and he went on top. Then on top there was two ways. Then there was one security guard. Then he said, "Go to hell." Then the guy said, "What did I do? I didn't kill anybody. I didn't tell a lie." Then he said, "No, you did. In games you killed so many people." That means in games he killed so many people. So he needs to go to hell.
What's that? Wild banana.
Trust me, I also kill a lot of people in murder mystery, so yeah.
Okay. Is it a wild banana?
No.
I don't know. What's that?
Wild banana. You don't know wild banana? Oh man, do you know wild
You don't
banana?
know?
You don't know? What?
Oh,
Oh man, wild banana. Later I show you, okay? Wild banana. Oh, the song. Wild banana. What? Banana. What papaya? Papaya, no. Banana. Okay, now I'm gonna find another heuristic, right? And then you're gonna
I only know the baba now.
one minion. Okay, wait. Let's continue our journey to find heuristic, okay? So this is fun.
Strawberry one.
Fun. It's also fun. You see, can you see how many fundamental?
Fun.
Oh, look at
That's
this. Okay, now I need y'all to do this question. I need to help Miss Joyce with something, okay? It's gonna take about 5 minutes. So can you do this one now? Can you do this one now? Okay, I'm going away for a short while. 5 minutes only, right? Because there's another class for secondary school students at the other side. Okay, I need to set up the computer there. Huh? No, very complicated. I got another screen and all this stuff. Okay, wait. Come back in 5 minutes.
Hurry up, draw chicken.
Find the answer.
Draw chicken. Draw some chicken.
Hurry up. Draw chicken. Hurry up, go draw chicken. Yes, sometimes go draw chicken.
Banana thingy.
Oh, yeah. Okay, let's see the answer. Let's go through this question. Yeah,
The first one is decrease.
decrease. Okay, so at first the ratio of boys to girls is 4:1. So we write down boys,
Hey, the chicken's back.
girls 4:1. After 6 boys, 6 girls join the club. So here plus 6, here also plus 6, right? And the ratio became 3:1. Now which type of heuristic is this? Which type? Difference unchanged. Huh? No, it's not single unchanged. Difference unchanged. D. Or different. Why is it difference unchanged? Because both. Yeah, you added 6 to both, so the difference should be the same. Like I give you 6, I give you 6. Difference
I'll give you back 3.
between the two of you is the same.
No, it's not. I'll give you back 3.
After you give me back 3, then it's different. Yeah, but before you give me back 3, I don't want to take so you still have it, right?
Yeah,
So
run away.
yeah. So we find the difference. What's the difference?
Hey, I have.
You all have the same pencil case, huh?
Yay! No,
Okay.
God damn it.
Oh, you have the same pencil case. So cute, huh?
You can
Okay.
destroy the whole thing, yeah?
What do you mean?
All made of zip.
Oh, okay, wait. Look at this, Sam. Sam. Look at this, yeah. So this 3, this 2. So I need to make this one the same, right? So I gotta regroup my thing. So be.
Wait, I don't understand how the zip works.
What do you mean you don't
Is he
understand?
using a camera or something?
No, his camera can move around.
Wow, he's very rich, huh?
So this one times 2, this one times 3, right? So we get 6, and we get 6. So times 2 we get 8, and it's to 2. And then here becomes 9 is to 3. Still plus 6 plus 6. Okay, so from here I can tell what is the, you see here 2 plus 3 became 3. This is like 2 units, 3 units, 8 units. So 1 unit is equal to 6. Because can you see 2 unit plus 6 become 3 unit? So 1 unit is 6. Okay. So the next question is, did the percentage of boys increase, decrease, or remain the same? Percentage of members who are boys. Now what's the percentage of members who are boys? At first is 8 over 10, right? This at first. You see that at first? 8 out of 10 total. After that became 9 out of, what's the total? 12. Now they ask for percent. This is fraction. So how do we find the percent? Go back to fundamental, right? What does fundamental say? Times 100%. Okay, this one also can times 100. So this is where you get to use your calculator.
I'll do.
Yeah, you do it. Okay, so the first one is easy. It's 80%. Then the second one. Yeah, 75. So this is 80%, and then here became 75. So did it increase or decrease? What did y'all say just now?
Decrease.
Yeah, I thought I heard someone say increase.
I said decrease.
So part A is decrease. You see that? Then he boxed the answer already, right? Okay, then how about part B? In the end, how many boys were there in the club? So in the end, it's here, right? This is the end, right? It's the end.
Oh no.
1 unit equals 6, 9 unit equals 2.
Wait, isn't that good? There is a logo lah. It's the end.
6 times what? 9 equals to 54. Alright, hopefully you all got that answer. Okay?
What's the answer?
54.
64.
Yeah, I got that. Teacher.
Yeah?
You know, if you take a picture of yourself, then you take your right, you cut your picture into half, like cut it into half, and then you take your right piece, copy and paste on the other side. You look more better.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
You mean I become handsome suddenly?
Yeah, you just need to take a photo of yourself, then make it symmetrical, then cut the symmetry line, then delete one of the face,
Okay.
and then take the other side, then put both sides together. Like
Yeah, no, later we try, right? Oh yeah, okay, let's try to find some more. Question first, okay, wait. So question 11, fundamental. Fundamental. This is fun. This is fundamental. This is also fundamental.
Everything fun now.
No, not everything fun. Hey, this one, is this fundamental?
No.
This one, the
heuristic.
right?
Fun.
Man, never mind.
Not fun. This is not
It looks
fun.
like not fun,
This
but
is hard.
actually it's quite fun. Okay, question 15 is actually the fundamental. Yeah, I skip this thing. Fundamental. This is counting solid and blocks.
Okay, let's start counting.
Right? And this one we did that already. Also fundamental.
Not fun at all. It's actually pretty fun, actually.
17 is also fundamental. Actually, there's no heuristic here.
Oh,
And
We
the end.
have to finish this question.
I know, but that's the end of the paper. All right. So what I'm trying to show you is, please practice fundamental. Heuristic important, but you see so many fun everywhere. All right. In fact, the paper one, right, has got a couple of heuristic in the next one now. Yeah, we're going to the next one now. This is actually from the year 2018. Okay, 2018 PSLE, right? So same thing. What we're going to do is we're going to identify. Is it a fun question, fundamental question, or is it just a?
Is it Pokemon?
What? I don't know.
Then
Okay.
what is
What?
SWSH?
I have no idea. What's that?
Just to give you
What is it?
Pokemon.
Sword and shield. Oh,
Is it Pokemon?
I thought that's like cards. People collect cards, sword and shield cards.
No, it's a Nintendo game.
Is it?
I think so.
Yeah. Do you play Nintendo games? No. Do you play Nintendo games?
I have it at home.
I'm going to.
You're going to.
Nintendo's at home.
Wow. Okay. So
I don't use them.
okay, I'm gonna go through this one now. Yeah. So we're gonna pay attention here. Okay. Sam, are you ready, Sam?
No, I'm not ready.
Sam. Okay, Sam is ready. Good. Okay, let's take a look. Now we're gonna identify first. Now, first one. Terry made 90 cupcakes for every 15. Terry used 3 eggs. How many eggs did you use? Fundamental question. Okay, let's see how to do this. Okay, it's fundamental question. Yeah,
Why?
we're gonna go through all, right? I mean, we're gonna go through as much as we can. Okay, so it's fundamental question. So Terry made 90 cupcakes. Every 15 used 3 eggs. It's 18. Ratio. This is a ratio question. Okay, that's fun. Okay, this one speed.
Wait, question.
This one area. Huh? Wait, this is one. Oh, I didn't see that. Okay, for recycling, Ali. Okay, so this algebra. Algebra is fundamental. Right. Ali collected 17 bottles. Bala collected 2M, and Carl collected 2 plus M. So, did Ali collect the most number of bottles?
Not possible to tell.
Yeah, because we do not know what's M. M could be anything. Yeah, so we don't know that. How about Bala collected more than Carl? Bala is 2M.
No.
Bala 2M. Carl is 2 plus M.
Not possible.
Yeah, not possible to tell. How come? Because M could be, okay, if M is 1. If M is 1, Bala collected 2. And then Carl will collect 3.
It could be 0.
Yeah, then Carl will have collected more than Bala. So that's what you do. You can try different, right? So not possible to tell, right? So this fundamental, they never test any heuristic, okay? Next one, the 3 boys collected 3M plus 19 altogether. So your fundamental algebra addition, okay? So you got to take 17 plus 2M plus 2M, 2 plus M, sorry. So how many M's are there altogether? M and 2M, so that's 3M, right? M plus 2M is 3M, and then 17 plus, yeah, 17 plus 2 is 19, so it's true. So it's fun. Fundamental, next one. Okay, this is obviously fundamental again. Fundamental, fun. Right, so 2 rectangular mat 6 by 4 are placed on the floor. So if you like that, the mats they actually overlap. You see, there's overlapping. There's overlapping here, no, right? This part. So the area of the floor covered by the overlap is 5.5. The area of the floor not covered by the mats. Okay, this one looks a bit dark.
A 6-meter mat is very long.
Yeah, this is 6. This is 4. So this thing here to here is also 6. And here to here is 4. Now if here to here is 4, what is this little bit?
2.
2. Here is 2. Okay, this little bit is 2.
That's 4.
What? Which one is 4?
4.
Where? Show me. Where's 4? Where's 4? Yeah, here is 4. Good. So if you know here 4, then change color. Click. Choose.
Think.
Yeah. So
I even was the
red, usually red is better. Quick. 4. Okay, good. So if you know that it's 4, you can find the height, right? Okay. Like you can find this height, right? This height. Because why? 4 times question mark give you 5.2. So what is that? Question mark
1.3.
1.3. So oops. 1.3. Yeah. So this red color height is 1.3. Now if the red color height is 1.3, I can find this because all I have to do is to take 6. This whole thing is 6. So 6 minus 1.3. You can use a calculator, right? This paper too. 6 minus 1.3. Yeah, we got 4.7. 4.7 times 2.
9.4.
Ding. Yes.
Even the calculator, even the calculator.
Right, very good. Yeah, I saw the answer 9.4 meter square. So fundamental, no heuristic. No heuristic here. Right, next one. Okay, Ken had 15 more than Lisa at first. After Ken gave some to Lisa, he had 21 less. Okay, this, strictly speaking, there's a bit of a diagram drawing, model drawing here, heuristic question. Right, but to me, I think it's still a bit fundamental.
The answer is 18.
Oh, how you know?
I do this one before.
How come so fast?
I do it fast.
But do you know how to do?
No, I didn't.
No, you don't know how to do? You memorize the answer.
Yeah.
How come?
I
Can.
know what to do.
Wait, but do you know how to like draw the diagram or something?
I don't need draw.
It down to 18.
Yeah, the answer is 18. You
I
know,
just-
they took only 1 second.
I did 3 seconds of it.
Yeah, but they took 1 second. They look, Ken.
Without memorizing the answer.
Really? How come so fast? Ken had, I will take like 1 minute, no? 2 minutes.
Just take 21 minus 15 divided by 2, then 2
Why?
plus 15.
Why? After Ken gave some to Lisa, he had 21. You see, I still have to draw a diagram, eh? Ken, 15 more than Lisa. Like that. Right, 15 here. So after Ken gave some to Lisa, he had 21 less. So basically this part, right?
You also can do it in 2 steps.
Right.
21 plus 15 divided by 2.
What? Oh, because this is you know, they gave to each other, right? So this is 15. Okay, so you can look at this answer. Yeah, it's over there. You want to draw a diagram? It should be something like that because you know you chop off here. Additional 6. Eh?
I'm calculating that for second.
Wait.
Just take 2 steps.
Yeah. Okay, something like that. I'm not going to go through. Hey, Sam, stop destroying your.
Doing his thing. It's innocent thing.
Yeah. Don't worry, we'll subscribe to your channel, right? Sam, you don't have to destroy your thing. Okay, so it's 18. That's fine. Move on. Yeah, exactly. Okay, this question. What type of? There's obviously no heuristic. This is fun. It's fundamental.
Wait, no, what's Sam's paper?
Sam, they're just looking at the screen, I think.
Wow.
No, the soft copy. The soft copy. They got soft copy. Sam! Sam! How come you got a broom? Yeah, look at Sam's broom.
And also it's made from paper and also you
Yeah,
can
he made his own broom. Yeah, honestly, if you have a channel, I will subscribe to you, know. Whatever you're doing looks quite interesting. But now I'm doing mathematics. Sam.
We're not doing cleanup.
Yeah. Okay, let's try this question now. Can you try to do? What fraction of the fruits Vera bought were apples?
One half.
Yeah, half. Very good.
Half.
1/2. So this is easy. So on which type of fruit did Vera spend the most?
Pear.
Pear. How come?
$9.60.
I didn't even do anything yet.
So why? How do you know it's pear?
You use your
See?
pen and you use some math.
You have to read the question yet, then they give you the answer already.
Yeah.
You take pair times.
Yeah.
We have no Mr. Tang method. We jump straight to the
Pair
point.
time, you take 80 cents times 12.
Times 12. Okay. Value units, right? Is it value units? So you get 9, 60. Okay. Yeah, that's straightforward.
Okay, this one you can divide.
Huh?
The next question.
Oh, yeah, the next one already.
If
So
I was Vera, this is what my model would look like.
what do you mean?
If
Your
I was
mother-
Zoom in.
Over there.
Well, I don't understand.
Here,
They
here,
told-
this question.
How can your mother like this?
Your mother look like that.
No. Okay. Okay. So this question easy, yeah. Fundamental. Nothing. Don't have any special ability needed for this. Okay. Next one. Question 7. 7. Okay. So, what fraction of the tile ABCD is shaded? Now, for this type of question, usually what we do is we cut into smaller pieces, right? Like this. Okay, I'm gonna use a straight line.
Well, now, you never say we got straight line one.
What? Got straight line one there?
15 out of 16 and 351.
Yeah, wait, wait. I haven't even cut finish. Okay. So you see when you cut it like that, here there should be another line going down. And then there's another one going here. Okay. So altogether, how many of those are shaded?
This is a 4x4.
Yeah, this is a 4x4. 4x4 means total there are 16 squares.
And 3 are shaded.
Hello. Sam.
Oh wait, 3 are unshaded. So
So 13
13 is shaded.
over 16. Okay, it is 13 over 16.
The next one.
Yeah, let's look at the next one. So
Divide
figure
it
one,
into more pieces.
yeah, so the area of the unshaded is 81. So now I got 4 of these, four times. Each one got 16, right? So this one got 16, right? What you can do?
12. There's 12 unshaded.
Yeah, you can take 16 times 4. Wait, they want to find the shaded area. What? Okay, we take 16 times 4, right? So you can find the, do you need to find the total area? The area of the unshaded? No need. Because there's 12 unshaded. Yeah, so 12 is 81. 12 is 81, right? So this is 81 cm squared. 12 then 81 cm. They want to find the total shaded, but I know that here there are a total of how many small blocks do I have? Each one of these, there's 16. Each one, there's 16.
Yeah.
Yeah, so all together, there are 64. Right, but then out of 16, right, only 13 are shaded. Right, so altogether, how many are shaded? We take 13 times 4. Right, which is equal to, what's 13 times 4? You can use calculator here. 52. Now, wait, since I know 12 is 81, I want to find 52. Okay, what can I do? I can find 2 first. Right, so divide by 6. 81 divided by 6. 13.5. So I want to find 52. So we take 13.5 times 26. So we get 331.
Who's that? Whoa, Acer.
Okay?
Oh, he's very rich.
Focus on the question.
You got correct.
Yeah, good. Right? Do you understand? You got correct? Okay, Sam, do you understand this?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. So is this a fundamental or heuristic?
Yeah, look at Phil.
There's a lag. Why is there a lag? Right? Is this a fundamental or heuristic question? Fundamental.
Of course.
Yeah. No special heuristic involved. Okay. Oh, there's another one.
Well, I very sian of fundamental now.
It's not
Teacher.
fun. Okay, Sam, are you doing this, Sam?
Yeah.
No, no, is it okay? Tough, this one a bit.
Very easy.
Huh? Okay, if you know, it's easy lah. If you don't know, then it's tough.
Is my answer correct though?
Yeah, 60.
53%.
Cannot get the answer.
You don't get an answer. Okay, so you see, this is a common response. Yeah, very common. It's because if you know, oh, it's very easy. If you don't know, then it's more very difficult. Okay, so what we do is we go through together. So some teachers and pupils went on a field trip. There were 2 teachers in each group of 15 pupils. Right. So now, how many more pupils are there than teachers in one group? Let's say one group.
There'll be about 13.
Huh?
Why TT?
Teachers, 2 teachers. Teachers,
Yeah.
2 teachers, right? Now one group 15. So we got 15 pupils and then 2 teachers per group. So every group there are 13 more students, right? In every group there are 13 more students. So now the total is 52 more pupils than teachers. Now in one group will provide 13 more. 52, yeah, 52 more pupils means how many groups are there?
52 divided by 13. 52 divided by 13.
52 by 13. So there's actually how many 13?
4.
4.
Oh.
There are 4 groups. You got 4 groups of this. Now since there are 4 groups, the question is how many pupils went? Now in one group there are 15 pupils. And how many groups do we have? 4 groups. Yeah, 15
4
times,
times 15.
yeah, equals to 60. So 60 people, that's it. Done. Alright, so this is a bit, but it's very tricky. Very tricky, yeah. Very tricky and a bit hard to look at it. Okay? Okay, do you know how to do this? Clinton and Sam?
Is that 1.6 hours?
1.6 hours. 1.6. Yeah, but you want hours and minutes.
Oh, hours and minutes. Then it's 2 hours and 40 minutes.
Huh? No.
Wait,
No.
wait, what?
Each boy, I tell you first. Each boy.
2 to 5 plus 2.
2 hours. You said 240.
No, you said 1.6 hours, right? It's correct, but you must convert to minutes.
Okay.
Hours and minutes.
You don't understand.
This is decimal, 1.6 hours.
Yeah.
So 1 hour, 0.6 hour
1
is,
hour and 36 minutes.
yeah, 1 hour, 36 minutes. Okay, but what's the reasoning?
I took 2 times 4 and then divided by 5.
Yeah.
You didn't do anything here.
Never mind. You understand this one? No? Never mind. We wait first. Sam, how about you, Sam?
Probably not even paying attention anymore. Rename a spotlight video.
Report police.
Yeah, report.
No, maybe he go toilet. Okay, so how do we do this
Is
question?
the answer 1 out of 36?
Yeah, 1 out of 36. That's great. Now you see, 5 boys book a court for 2 hours, took turns to play. Anytime only 4 boys can play. Right? Anytime only 4 boys. So what's the total number of play time that's available for them? Total number of play time possible are 8 hours. How come 8 hours? Because 4 times 2. So it doesn't matter how many.
Shoot.
It doesn't matter how many boys you bring to the badminton court, right? The total number of play time available is just 8 hours. Okay, so it doesn't matter how you're going to divide the court or whatever. the 8 boys, right, can only play for 8 hours. So what is the on average? So average means total divided by number. So total 8 hours divided by 5 boys, we get 1.6 hours. But here's the fundamental. They want you to convert this to hours and minutes. So of course, one whole is 1 hour, and then the 0.6, you just take 0.6 times 60 minutes, right? That will give you 36
6.
minutes. So it's 1 hour and 36 minutes for this, right? So it's not a heuristic, yeah, but it's fundamental, but also a bit tough.
Yay.
Okay, wait, this is like a fundamental question though. It's just
Yeah.
percentage. Is this the last one?
No.
No.
Oh, this is the terrible one.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Do it.
Wait, stop first. I want to see the rest.
This is
Easy.
speed.
No, it's not.
Okay.
The second last one is the last one is pretty easy. It looks pretty easy.
Yeah.
No, everything.
Let's just do question 15.
This one is the worst. I don't want to see.
Why can't we do it?
Tomorrow.
Because Mr. Tang needs
Yeah,
time
that's
to
okay.
figure out the answer.
Let's
He
look at it.
needs time to figure out the answer.
Okay, 5 minutes. Let's see this one. Question number 40. This will be the last question for today, for now. Right? She saw a red bag, 15% discount, and a blue one, 20%. Both had the same price. So to buy the red, this percentage, yeah, Lina would need 250 more than what she had. So Lina bought the blue. After that, she had $2 left. Okay, what is, yeah. You see, one is 15%, one is 20%, and the difference here is $2.50 more than what you had. Hey, can you, wait, can we stop the annotation first?
Just tell them to just disable it lah, sure.
Never mind. Still can write. Oh. Okay, so can we do this one first, 14? What was the real price of the red bag? Okay, so first thing you need to realize is this Sam, stop. 5%. 5%. Okay. $4.50. Okay, did you get it?
No.
That's the first thing to realize.
I'm not
5%
sure.
is $4.
I know why already.
How come? Because you need additional 250 and after that you have $2 left. So for you to buy that bag, you have to pay is an extra of 5%. And because she bought the blue one, she had extra $4.50.
That's just 90, right?
Yeah. Now if 5% is $4.50, we want to find 100%.
Do you hear some horrible recorder?
Yeah.
Stop whistling!
Huh? Who is that? Yeah.
I don't know.
So $90, right? So 100%, that's the A. That's part A.
So am I correct?
Yeah, 90 is correct.
How about for B?
$90. So for part B, how much money did Lina have at first?
Oh, I know how.
To buy the red bag, she will need 250 more.
So
What
if
is
you
the
have
red
the
bag?
you can either take, there's two ways.
What?
Which is either you can either take 90 divided by 100 times 85. Wait, 90 times 100, 90 times divided by 100 times 85, and then minus 2.5, or 90 times 90 divided by 100 times 80 plus $2.
No, plus $2 for the blue one.
Okay, wait. So you see, let's go with the red bag. Since you got 90 here. correct? So this is the original price. So the red bag was on sale at 15% discount, right? So you have to find how much did she pay for this. So you take 85 over 100 times 90. Okay, what does that give you? So 76.
76.5.
Yeah,
You just take it minus 2.5 and you get
yeah, correct. Because to buy the red one, she need extra $2.50. Right, that means she only has, yeah, 36.5 minus
$4.
50. Yeah, so we get
A B.
74. Okay, so that's all for today. Yeah, tomorrow today we focus on the heuristics, right? Tomorrow we'll be looking at timing.